Hi there, welcome to watch the instruction video for changing the motor wheel. First, find the cable tie and cut it off. And find the waterproof cable connector. Unplug it. Remove the cable cover and shaft end cap. Use a number 18 wrench to loosen the screw. Loosen the other side screw and washer. Turn the crank to release the chain from the flywheel. Release the shifter and take out the back wheel. Set aside the wheel and get the tool. Insert the flywheel removal sleeve. Rotate counterclockwise to loosen the flywheel. Remove the flywheel if it is loose. Loosen the screws of the brake pad with a number 4 hexagon Allen key. Loosen the screws of the brake disc with a number 4 hexagon Allen key. Take out all the screws and the brake disc. Remove the valve cap. And release all the air. Remove the inner and outer tires. Remove the lining belt from the old wheel. And install it onto the new wheel. Install the brake disc. First tighten the screws on the 2 diagonal lines to fix it. Tighten all the screws one by one. Turn the wheel over and thread the flywheel through the motor wire. Rotate the flywheel clockwise to fix it. Install the tire. Make sure that the tire is in the same direction as the brake disc. Find the hole of the hub. And insert the air nozzle. Insert the outer tire's rim into the hub. Check the safety line after installation to ensure that the edge is even. Inflate the tire after the safety line is checked. Screw on the valve cap. Place the fixing gasket. The convex part faces upward and corresponds to the notch on the screw rod. Place a screw washer, nut, and cover. Do the same at the other end. Loosen the screws of the disc brake. Install the motor wheel. And put the chain on the flywheel. Clip the disc into the disc brake. Tighten the screws with a number 18 wrench. Make sure the wheels are centered. Then cover the end cap. Align and insert the arrows at both ends to connect the waterproof line. Fix the cable with tie wire. And cut off the excess thread. Hold the brake. And tighten the screws of the disc brake. Ensure that the gap between the brake disc and the brake is uniform to avoid friction. Power on. And test the motor to check whether it works normally. Replacement of motor wheel completed.